you know who is Jesus, all of you. So there was one follower of. There is a underground storage when. Like all of you are here. Okay, so the place itself is an Albanian church. As I told you, there is no connection between Albania now, which exists right now, and this Albania. It's totally different Albania. In the first century, you know who is Jesus, all of you. So there was one follower of Jesus. His name was Yelisei. He was from Russia, so he came to this area and started to live here, exactly there. He built for him the small house from wood. It was 2,000 years ago in first century. He was the follower of Jesus, so he started to follow religion of Christianity and to tell to people in Azerbaijan, especially in this area, that they also should to follow religion of Christianity. You know, this area at that time, it was area of Zoroastrian people who is praying to fire. So they were not agree with him. They told him that the only God that we follow, it's a fire, it's an Agni. We will not follow your God. So he got killed, was killed by Zoroastrian people who was following the fire, who was following the Agni. After it, in the second century, people who found that there is a graveyard, there is a tombstone of Yelisei, he started to create the Christianity in this area. They were followers of Christianity. They found the Yelisei's tombstone here. So they created the Christianity, how to say, followers in this area. So Sheki, north part of Azerbaijan, it was only the area who was following the Christianity, but south part was following the Zoroastrian religion, okay? So they were following Christianity. They built so many churches in this area. One of them is Albanian. And you can see that they were here until 11th century. They were here more than 1,000 years. You can see so many types of church behind you from different centuries, all of them from different centuries. And on the map of Azerbaijan, you can see different churches and temples. As an example, the smalls are churches, the big are temples, like a temple church, okay? The big church where people not only praying, they also live inside of it. So this one, it was just a church. But in some places in Azerbaijan, you can see temple church where people are live and pray together. As an example, right now we are inside of Kish. That is the village inside of Sheki, so people live here. And that's the only one church which locates inside of the Sheki. There is only one church. But across the Azerbaijan, there is so many. I mean, it's only ancient churches. In Baku, we got more than 40 churches right now, but modern. All of them are modern.
വെളിച്ചം നമ്മുടെ നല്ല
И север Азербайджана это Шеки, это Закатала, это Огуз. Это все. Три района, в которых продвигалось христианство, весь остальной Азербайджан был потронен. What do you like to touch there? We can open it. Let's go inside. Well, yeah, that's it. There is a underground storage when people came here to destroy Albania in 11th century. They were trying to steal all of gold, all of money that Albanian people have. So they built an underground storage under the church. It was looking like this. You can look for it at 300 degrees. So we found one of Albanian guys right here. They were much more taller than the usual Azerbaijani guys. I think if you walk in Baku, you will see as an example Han Sarai. It's a usual Baku Han Sarai. We have the same in Sheki, but they are totally different in architect, and also the people. They were totally different. People in Albania, they were much more taller than people in Baku. So that was the storage underground that you can see behind you. They were keeping all of the gold that they have in Albania in this storage to not give it to people who tries to occupy this territory. Yeah, and also they had their own language. You can see it right there. So many words are translated, but some of them not. As an example, this one or this one. It's not a stone; it's a bone. Bone of animals, mostly cows. 1 minute. Когда в 11 веке говорили, что Албания существовала вплоть до